Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you the review on the Nars foundation. I finally got my hands on this foundation and I cannot wait to try it out. I heard so many good things about this foundation and yeah, why not try it out for myself and see if I like it or not. So if you guys want to see my honest review on this foundation, then definitely keep watching. And if you guys enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, of course. And yeah, let's get started with this video. Okay, so I already primed my face. I primed my face with the L'Oreal Infallible Glow Lock Illuminizing Primer. So I already applied this to the skin. I did my eye makeup. So the video is basically on the Nars foundation. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get straightforward to the foundation. And the claims to this foundation says it's a natural radiant long wear foundation. So the radiant part caught me there because I love me a dewy foundation or something that's glowy. I just love it because I do have dry to combination skin, so I definitely love those type of foundations. So when I heard this one was a radiant foundation and it was going to give you like a natural glow, I definitely was like, oh, I have to have it. So this foundation prices for $49 and I got mine at Ulta. I mean, I had a gift card, so I took advantage of having a gift card and buying it. But yeah, I definitely can't wait to try this out. And I got the shade Barcelona. One thing about them is that they have a very wide range of shades, so you're like destined to find your perfect shade. So let's get started with the review. So for this review, I'm gonna do the sponge on one side and the brush on the other side to see which one I like best. So let's get started because I already primed my face. And then on the bottle it says shake well. So let's shake this really good before applying it to the skin. So let's see. So I love the fact that it has a pump, and I'm just gonna apply it right here on the back of my hand. It's a very liquidy. You guys can see like it's like running down. So on my right side, which will be here guys left, I'm gonna be using the Equal Tools sponge, and I'm just gonna apply some on the sponge and apply it. So I definitely love the coverage that it gave me. It's more of a medium to full coverage, so I definitely feel like you could definitely build it up. But I'm gonna try it on this side with the brush. I mean, I like the sponge side, but I feel like the sponge absorbs the foundation too much because it is liquidy. It's not like a very thick consistency that, you know, won't soak up the sponge basically. So that is what I'm trying to say. Okay, I definitely love the brush side better because I feel like you guys can see, like, look at the sponge and look at this side, like it gave me more of a radiance on this side than the sponge for some reason. I don't know. Maybe it's me, maybe it's the camera that's picking up, or the lighting, but I see that. I don't know if you guys see that. Guys, so I am back. I finished applying the foundation all over the face, and my honest opinion right now, I definitely love it with the brush better. I feel like the application with the brush came out way better than the sponge side, my opinion, because I feel like this absorbed the foundation a little bit too much, because since it is liquidy and it's not like a thick consistency, like it just soaked it up too much. So when I applied it with the brush, like it applied so much better. So I definitely love it with the brush better. I'm obsessed with this foundation so far. I love it. It gave me that glow. I don't know if you guys can see it really good on the camera, but I love it so far. Like, I can't wait to apply the concealer and all that stuff to see how good it blends and stuff like that. But I love it. I definitely love the foundation so far. I will let you guys know how long it wears at the end. I don't know if I'm going to do like a complete wear test, but if I don't do a wear test, I will leave down below in the comment section how long it weared, how good it was, did it last me all day. So I will definitely let you guys know that. But yeah, let me finish the rest of the face and I'll be right back to see how good it blends out with all the other products. So I'll be right back. Okay, love, so I am back and I am loving the foundation, guys. I am loving it. I have nothing bad to say about this foundation so far. Like, I'm loving it. Everything blends out beautiful. The bronzer, the concealer, highlighter, everything blend out beautiful. Like, everything blended out like wonderful on top of the skin. The powder set well, everything. Like, I am loving it. There is nothing bad to say about this foundation. I mean, I love it. If you guys can splurge $50 on this foundation, I definitely recommend it. It's an awesome thing, and especially if you like that radiant foundation, like a dewy look, you're definitely going to be obsessed with this, because I'm currently obsessed. Like, I have my Huda Beauty, that was like my go-to like full coverage, but this is gonna be right next to the Huda Beauty, because I mean, I love it. It just gives you that glow and it makes your skin look like skin but better. Oh, I love it. So I'm gonna wear it throughout the day, and once I upload this video, I will let you guys know down below in the comments how long it weared, and did it cake up or did it break up anywhere. I will let you know all those details down below. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye, love.